さん、前のレッスンで私がクビになるかどうか、チャドさんに私の仕事を奪われるんじゃないかって考えてるうちに、どのレッスンをする予定だったか完全に忘れちゃったよ。
You know, Saki, most of the time I can't even tell if we're doing a lesson or not. The camera seems to be on all the time.
どんな表現について話してた？
Take over. Chad almost took over your job.
そうじゃん。おバカなチャドさんが私の仕事を引き継ぐつもりだったんだ。That idiot チャドさん was going to take over my job.
You shouldn't say that. He's a pretty handsome guy.
Pretty handsome?
Yeah, he's quite handsome. Anyway, take over. It can have slightly different meanings depending on the situation. But in general, it means to take responsibility from someone else. Chad was going to take over your job, take over your responsibilities, take responsibility from you.
なるほどね。状況によって少し違う意味になるかもだけど、一般的には誰かから責任を引き継ぐって意味なのね。ってことは、誰かがクビになったら他の人がその仕事を引き継ぐってこと？ Another person takes over?
Yeah, but a person might take over for someone temporarily. For example, if a teacher is sick, a substitute teacher might take over their responsibilities for a few days. A couple of other good expressions are step in and fill in. A substitute teacher will step in to teach the class.
一時的に引き継ぐこともあるのね。あと似たような表現にステップインとかフィルインってのもあるのね。じゃあつまりテイクオーバーは誰かから責任を引き受けるって意味だよね。
Well, as I said, that's the general definition. Responsibility, authority, and control can also be taken by force, like when Nazi Germany invaded France and took over the country.
そうだね。責任とか権限、支配は力で奪われることもあるもんね。第二次世界大戦中、Germany took over France だよね。
Good job translating, Saki. It was a mistake to almost fire you. I'm glad I didn't. ごめん、Saki-san.
大丈夫だよ、アランさん。私のことをクビにしないでくれて嬉しいよ。てか、チャドさんは考えを変えたって伝えたとき、どういう反応してたの？
He actually didn't take it well, but don't worry about it. I'm sure he's fine now. Let's get some lunch.